So let's get to the point. I am the Night Fury killer. I've hunted every last one but yours. You are going to give me that dragon.
I will never give him up.
You wish dragons to live free among us, like equals?
Dragons, they're kind, amazing creatures that can bring people together.
Tear them apart. With love comes loss. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it.